YouTubers, and welcome back. Today we have a review on my latest purchase. I've got a Parkside cordless drill PBSA 12C2 and it's a 12 volt drill driver. Okay, stay tuned and we're going to have a closer look. So here we go. We've got a Parkside cordless drill and it's PBSA 12C2 and it comes in this cardboard sleeve. So that's actually, have a look at the drill. It comes in a nice solid ABS plastic case with a carry handle and steel clips. Inside, what's nice to see, we've actually got with this, it didn't need purchasing afterwards, the actual charger. So we got a 3-pin plug and the 12 volt battery charger. So that came complete this time, unlike other Parkside power tools. And oh, there we go, that's the actual battery. And it sits that way. There's actually a groove there that fits the charger and it sits in. And we got a red and green LED light. We've got a red one from when it's charging and a green one when it's fully charged. Okay, like all Parkside tools, these come fully charged. On the side here we got red, amber, green for the charge on the battery, green fully charged. We got a little on the front, we have the grip, we got a LED light so you can illuminate the area you're working. We've got a quick release chuck and this also comes off. So now with a normal hex bit, you've just got a normal screwdriver, rechargeable screwdriver. Got forwards, back, and the middle position on the trigger is locked. And this is a 2-gear drill driver. And it just clips on with this little red collar. So if you pull the collar down, it slips over and locks it in place. Also on the side of the actual drill, we've got the little magnets, so you can keep your bit safe by keeping them there on both sides. It's got a nice quality feel to it, rubberized with hard plastics and rubber. And on the top you've got the torque settings for different torque settings if you're drilling. You've also got the drill position there. Okay, let's get some bits and fit in there and see what it's like. So we've got some PowerFix profit bits. I've done a review on these in the past. And we'll take this off. We'll take the chuck off, the drilling chuck. It seems to work nicely, to be honest. I'll just try a drill bit in the chuck, see what that feels like, see if it feels steady. So let's put the drilling chuck back on. So I think it states on the top here on these two gear positions, position 2 is for drilling, position 1 is for screwdriving. So we'll go over to position 2. Yeah, and that feels okay. In the near future we'll get it working on some timber for you to have a look, and I'll update you on how I'm doing with it. But I'm initially very happy with the quality, the feel, the ergonomics and the features. And there you go, the magnet holding the bit on the side. If you like my videos, please comment below. Make sure you like the videos and subscribe and tell your friends. Please share them. And I'll see you again soon on Al's Tool Chest.